We have froth. It's already made. It just shut off. We're going to pour out the milk. That makes excellent froth for your cappuccino, espresso, and so forth. Hot and cold milk frother for a cappuccino, for your espresso maker. We're going to show you what's inside the box and how to operate it with a cup of milk and show you what it looks like. We get a manual. You get the frother, 2 whisks, and a user's manual, as well as a brush. You have the lid that holds the whisk on top over here, and inside is the other one if you ever need to replace the whisk. If you turn it upside down, it's not going to fall out. You grab it with your hand, pull it out. You're going to snap this off the holder. You're going to place the spare whisk on the top cover where it's supposed to hold. It has an O-ring, nice clear cover. And you take this piece and you do your best to snap it on. And you find a spot that came off that has a little square knob. I do apologize that you can't see me putting it on there, and it's on. This will sit on the base and have 4 different color lights. When you press it, one is red, the other's red, the other's red, and the last one's blue, which is cold. There is no off. The machine is starting up. You pull it to turn off, and there you go. It has an automatic off, but it doesn't have an off button while it's running. So what we have here is a cup of milk, and we're going to add it to the froth. We have froth and heating density of texture foam. So we're going to do just a little bit. We're going to turn the machine on for the first one. We could place the cover on so nothing spills out. And we'll show you what it looks like. We'll take the cover off so you can see what's happening here. We want to have that cover on because it's going to spill all over the place. It's very hot, as you can see, and it's frothing up the milk nicely. It's taken about 2 minutes. The unit beeps, and we're going to pour out the froth. That is the first one. Now we're going to clean this up, and we're going to froth the milk for number 2. Over here there is a little vent hole. It has an arrow. As we open up to show you number 2, you can also see how this will pour out the liquid, and then you could have the froth come out correctly. So we're all done. We're going to make sure where my index finger's at. Lift up, pour out the liquid. Then we're going to pour out the froth. There's the froth. And that's fluffy. I still got a lot inside. We're on cold froth. Don't start the machine up. Start the machine up last. I am demonstrating what to do and not to do. So here we are making cold fluffy froth. I would love to show you while the milk is still frothing. This is called cold froth. We're going to pour it out to show you what it looks like. Cold froth. When ready to make your cappuccino, you want to make sure all that existing milk is out, and then you can now pour your froth into your cup. That is nice and thick. When you're all done, just simply wash it.